Negotiations. Wow, after being in the business for 15 years and negotiating over 1,300 contracts, if you're thinking of selling and want to walk away with the most amount of money in your pocket, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ellie George with HomeQuest Realty, and I have to say, I've seen it all. Here are a few negotiation tricks to ensure that you get top dollar when selling. Never, yes I said never, sell in a day. Whenever a seller tells me that they sold their house in a day or a weekend, all I can think is, wow, they left money on the table. They should have allowed proper marketing time to ensure that they got the most exposure and the most amount of money on the sale and the best terms. Now, if you've got multiple offers, always counter more than one. In most cases, buyers are going to increase their offer or give better terms once they know that they're competing with other people. Always tighten up time frames and contingencies if possible. Get a higher deposit initially so that the buyer has more skin in that game. Be sure you're certain of the value of your home. And if you or your agent isn't 100% sure about what that home is going to be worth, be sure to address that by countering out the appraisal in relation to the purchase price, and make sure the buyer qualifies and has the funds to cover the difference between the offered amount and what the home ends up appraising at. Always contact the lender prior to accepting an offer and ask qualifying questions of them, like have they run credit, verified employment, and have they seen the buyer's taxes? Is the buyer fully approved and has it gone through desktop underwriting? Or is this merely just a pre-qualification letter? Now listen, I can go on for hours about all of the things that you as a seller need to be concerned about when selling your home and when negotiating for yourself. But you really shouldn't have to worry about this. And with all these crazy terms, that's why you hire us. Rest assured, we're in a small percentage of agents across the nation who are certified negotiation experts. And we have all this covered and so much more. Leave the worrying to us. All you've got to be concerned is going to the bank and cashing your check. Call me, Ellie George at HomeQuest, so I can walk you through the successful negotiations to the close of the escrow and giving you the keys.